How to switch from e-filing to mail on H&R Block. Let's get started. Start by completing your tax return as usual, entering all the tax information and carefully reviewing it for accuracy. Once finished, navigate to the filing section in your H&R Block Online account. Instead of selecting the e-file option, look for the option to file by mail or switch to email. H&R Block will then guide you through the process of downloading and printing your completed tax return. Save a copy for your records and print all required forms, including your federal return and any applicable state. Review the printed forms to ensure all information is accurate and don't forget to sign and date return on the signature line. Attach any necessary documents such as W-2, 1099s, or supporting documentation for deductions and credits. Next, check the correct IRS mailing address for your federal return. This depends on whether you are including a payment and your state of residence. For state returns, refer to the instructions provided with your state tax forms or check your state's tax agency website. Place your completed return and attachments in an envelope and send it using a secure mailing method, such as certified mail or a trackable service, to ensure delivery. Make sure the return is postmarked by the filing deadline to avoid penalties. If you owe taxes, include a check or money order payable to the United States Treasury and attach Form 1040V, the payment voucher. Keep a copy of your return and proof of mailing, such as tracking number for the records. By following these steps, you can easily switch from e-filing to mailing your tax return using H&R Block and ensure your submission is complete and accurate. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.